He's dropping
But
anyways.
But if it does,
all right, I'm going back.
then
Let's go back. Let's go back.
I wonder what's gonna spawn. It's okay. So it can spawn anywhere between the next 14 minutes.
So welcome back.
14.
Making
14,
another
yeah.
video. Just letting everybody know. All of a sudden, I'm just gonna start.
I'm a penguin.
Fucking,
Oh, penguin.
is that like a thing now?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh god, we're all gonna die.
Apparently he's not here.
Great. Good job, guys. Well, you can't miss. It's a king sign. You can't miss it.
I can if I can't even freaking see my render distance.
You smell.
Well, you know.
They were probably boss stacking like a long time before us.
Alright, if you find it, don't engage combat TP everybody. TP the game. TP the game.
Guys,
Alright, it's probably like right under spawn.
Not really. Doesn't.
Oh, I think Crash found it. He's going the right way.
No.
we dirt the guy, kids.
Right?
Is it just me, or should /near on be a thing?
No.
Like slash near like F map on.
Yeah.
That's kind of like a mini
Yeah,
map.
but I would say it has to be separate away from F map on.
Yeah. So you would just do /near on, /near off.
Yeah, I can't find crap. I think it just got cleared
Because
too.
like, if you're like, no, they don't get cleared.
Ah, good. That was sick.
Find it?
Found it.
Alright, TPA.
Ah,
Okay.
shit. I just got in combat.
TPA crash on.
Coordinates.
Where you at?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Minus 254, minus 155.
254.
Oh shit.
Hold on. Oh, shit. I'm stuck. Ugh.
Freaking far away.
Is it almost dead?
Not sure. Accept, but go.
Wait, someone go to our derp. Someone go to our derp. Hit
TPA
him.
crash run. Oh wait, TPA.
Oh, which one? I see, right? There.
TPA
Hey, Crash, can you wait?
Got that crash?
What derp are you
derp.
talking about?
Oh, it's not dead. TP.
TPA. Stop that. Woo! Let me out of here.
TPA. Hang on, man. Get us in there, penguin ass fool.
Hey, are y'all derping somebody?
Yeah, there's a guy in our derp also. Guys, happening all the way from Warzone.
Yeah.
Oh,
Seriously, 'cause
Vix
he's
MC,
gonna
I'm
he's
gonna
gonna go back
fucking
to
kill
his
that guy.
original spawn.
Fuck
Is
you.
there any enemies here?
Probably.
Oh, yeah. Lots.
Like
Oh, God.
everybody on the server enemy. Where the hell are you, Galaxy?
Oh, kill
We're
Vix.
out of water.
I don't like him.
I'm at the
Oh,
Where
I found
are
him.
you?
He might have got out. Yeah, he
Yeah, Mac, you
probably got
can't
out.
miss it.
Yeah, found him. I started lagging instantly. That was great.
Slash near. Oh, there's somebody in here. LOL still in here.
Let's try and
Yeah,
kill
get
up the
him, hit him, hit
enemies, honestly.
I can't.
Oh, shit.
Why not?
Kill the enemies and then the king sign.
We could.
Wait, where'd he go? He was just in here.
I'm inside a crash.
Oh wow, that's how you know he fucking hacks. He was just inside these crushers.
Well, I am recording. It's a,
Redstone is atrocious.
it's a little laggy.
Oh, you pearled away.
Oh, did he die?
Crash is just focused on it.
Oh, excited.
Dude, I don't have any pearls. This is
Who's
very
had a
upsetting.
comeback over there? Guys, you had a comeback? It's still alive?
Yeah, it's still alive.
It was like negative 200 and negative 200 again, I guess.
Oh crap! I need to go hit this thing like once.
What was the chords again? Negative 200 something and what?
Negative 253, negative 279.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, I wonder if they'll go to the
Envoy.
envoy.
I'll get out of combat, bro, and TP.
Guys, hit it away from the derp.
Yeah, seriously, because if he goes out of Warzone, then he's gonna respawn back to his original location.
That's fine.
No,
Fuck,
it's
did it
no.
go?
Oh no, it's about to go in the dirt.
Oh god, guys.
I didn't even see a fucking chest. That's bullshit.
Oh, I hear a chest.
I'm trying to hit it out with some punch when it gets in the green mode.
I'm negative
Some
200,
Ender
negative.
Pearls.
Oh, there's a lot of chests up here. Holy shit.
What? Oh god, just
While they're doing that, I'm collecting shit.
Okay,
crack up. Alright, well, I don't see it. I totally ran the wrong damn way. Yeah.
Yeah, I just got 5 fucking. Woo. Oh my god, 2 CoSMIC notes.
Bro,
What is this?
did it
Oh,
die?
that's
I think
herbalism.
No, he's still at 220.
well, where the hell is he? I completely got lost.
Guys, gank
Oh.
enemies, okay?
Yep. Skank them now so that they have the distracted. Oh my
Oh,
god,
there's
yo,
Oh,
this
crap, it just...
this lag is high crack.
Oh, did he die? What the
No,
fuck?
he's still under here.
No, riding my wagon, I had him as 6, asshole.
Oh,
I'm just fucking attacking people.
Oh no. That sucks. I got a legendary chest.
It's not even dead.
I'm fucking doing envoy. There's a
Oh.
shit ton.
No.
You would, dirty Mexican.
wow.
Got me a black scroll too.
Even one got legend.
Oh,
Got me
yeah,
one-
get-
Got a legend.
Early
Kill the red
wood.
guys.
Kill the red guy.
Kill
Kill
red.
Viking.
Kill
Kill
ride my
Viking.
wagon.
Kill Viking. He's above you. He's out. He has the legendary chest. God damn it.
Oh shit. Stuck.
Where's he at?
Do you have a chest also? I don't think so.
Hey, yeah, he died.
Did he?
I'm still collecting chests. There's a
I still
shit ton.
hear chests.
I'm still collecting.
Oh, I see a chest.
Yeah,
Gaming, fuck you.
Ugh. That's fine.
Alright, let's see what I get in this ulti.
Is it boss soon? Yeah.
I don't even know.
Crash, you sound tired.
Ooh, all these CoSMIC notes. Holy shit balls.
No, I'm not really tired. I slept all day. I think I'm still waking up.
Yeah, that's it.
Takes me forever.
That was an
Like a
awesome video.
I get ganked here. Yeah. I'm not gonna find my way back home.
Yo. Just
Oh look, who is this? Is this Burrito?
I just killed Havoc Plays when
That's
he
danger.
had garbage on. Like his affiliate.
There's a shit ton of chests over here, Danger. I was just collecting them all.
Just got...
Own little boss stack, motherfuckers.
yeah, there's
Havoc said he just recorded me. I'm gonna say good. It looks like I care. You ain't recording
How many
shit.
people say that? Just
I know.
I mean, I was recording the whole time, so. And I'm gonna post it too. So, I mean, if you were, then.
Oh, there's
I
a
just got a-
ravine.
I just got an IG and 100K.
Wow. I'm just kind of flying, man. Flying along the spawn.
That must have
Flying.
been a mega envoy.
I don't, man. Now every time, like, I would have gotten stuff. No, I don't go to
yeah,
envoys.
time for the mega.
Well, y'all all around here. It's only friendlies.
Friendlies. What the fuck is that?
See.
Seen something flying in there.
Yeah, chest. Give me this chest. This chest. No, this chest.
Ooh.
Back away, purple. This is my good gear. He's very.
Like big and not
Uh-huh.
you other brothers can't deny. My girl
And
walks up with a tiny little waist
go through this shit that I just picked up.
He said, recorded you hacking kid. Easy ban.
Who said that?
Havoc Plays. This kid tried to record me when I was quote unquote mob warring when I was running blazes.
Yeah, I know the
What a
kid
guy.
who I kicked 6 hours after I invited him. And then he begged me for 3 days straight to join back.
I got a chicken spawner, a sheep spawner, 5 hoppers, a black scroll, 71%,
You know
a
what?
stack of gigantic, half a stack of lethal, a lead book, 2 soul trackers, 50,000 note, a $10,000 note, 10 levels of herbalism, a title of slab buzz, 3 unique chests. 4 simple books, and some mid gear.
All
Nice.
nature's to proc.
Everybody's like, we don't care. Just kidding. Nah, that's pretty good, man, for one onboard. Man.
Oh, not bad. I got max snare, which is snare 5, right? Or snare 4? Ah, shitty chances. Let's tinker that shit. Lightning.
Alright.
Hey, get the fuck out of there.
Who the fuck was that?
Damien. Someone.
Oh, should have known.
I got a creep rig, man.
I could do a voiceover for a Pokemon.
No, please don't. I'm still recording and I want to keep my viewers. Jesus Christ. Alright, what the fuck Pokemon? I'm curious. What Pokemon? I'm very curious.
F-Band Gaming Galaxy Base.
What the hell's that mean?
I don't know. It's a command I made up.
It's my fucking base, bitch. Yeah, I'll be mean. Well, so this was an exciting video. I think I'm gonna actually cut this shit off right here.
I'm a penguin.
That was supposed to be a one-time thing.
What's up, Sean?
What's
Hi,
up?
Sean. How are you, Sean?
Yeah. Well,
Thank you so much for asking.
I'm ending my video. Sorry. Yeah. But if you wanna go ahead and say how you doing, Sean, on video, that's perfectly fine.
Oh, I'm doing. Wait, what? This is on video? Oh crap!
Yeah, I was about to end it real quick. Alright, brother. Have a good night. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'm
I
gonna
love you all so much.
peace out.
Shut the